In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Shopify Favicon or however you pronounce that. So yeah, all you need to do basically is sign into your store, go to the home page, and then hit the search bar, and then search for Favicon, and then right there, you'll find themes. So this should send you over to your current theme, which is this page. You then want to click on Actions, or just simply click on Customize, and then you can actually go to the page where you can customize your store, and this is where you can do this. So click on Theme Settings. Right there you'll find it. So you can click on Icon, select Image. You can choose a free image, or you can upload one from your library. I'll just go with a free one, so we'll go with this one right there. You basically select it, you click on Select, and then you click Save in the top right corner, and that's how you can do this. So if this quick video helps you out, make sure you leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that. Let me know if you have any questions, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.